Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another statement from COBOL where we will see how we can utilize add statement in COBOL program. Okay, so to explain this thing in a easier way, what we will do, we will create the program. Like program is already created, I'll just walk you through the program in a quickly manner, and then we will also see the output to understand the exact scenarios. Okay. But before we start the session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously published sessions first, because these all sessions are in proper sequence. Okay, so if you follow the sequence, if you watch the sessions in sequentially manner, then it would be very easy for you to understand the ongoing concepts. Okay, that's why I request you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first. Fine. Now what we are going to do, we are going to see the program, like how we are utilizing add statement. What is the use of add statement and what are those scenarios where we are supposed to utilize add statement. So let's proceed with the session. Here I will take option 2 for the test one program, which I have already created. Now you can see here we have the identification division block. What is identification division block? This block is mainly used to store the program identity related information. So here you can see, firstly we have specified the program ID, which is denoting the program name. Then we are specifying the author, which is denoting the author name. Okay. Right now I just need only these two information. That's why I have specified only these two. But if you want to store more information, more program information, then you can utilize, you can add it in the same identification division block. Clear? Fine. Now you can see at the moment we have only two values, which is test pgm1 and test author. Okay. Let's proceed further. So after this, what we are doing from line number 5 to line number 7, we have initiated the comment line. Okay. So these are the three comment line. So how to declare the comment line? To declare the comment line, you can you can put asterisk on 7th position. So count it from the first position here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so from 7th position we can on 7th position we can put asterisk, which will open which will initiate the comment line. Okay, so these three comment line I am using just to show you the topic name. So you can see here, add statement in COBOL. This is our today's topic. After that, what we are doing, we are declaring the data division. Okay, so from here data division is initiated, and inside this data division we have working storage section. Okay, so under this working storage section we have declared two variables. You can see here on line number 12 and line number 13. Okay, so in line number 12 and line number 13, firstly we are declaring the variable, and then we are also using the procedure division to initiate the main logic. So let's see how we are declaring the variable. So to declare the variable, first of all we are supposed to declare the level number. So here the first part is level number, where we are specifying level number as 01, and it is denoting higher data hierarchy. Then we are mentioning the variable name or the data name, which is profit1. So whenever you want to access this variable throughout the program, you will utilize this name only. For maybe if you want to use it for display purpose, you will use the same name. If you want to initialize something, then you can use the same name. Okay, fine. So after this, what we are doing, we are mentioning PIC, which is denoting the picture clause, and 9 of 4 denoting the numeric 4-digit value. Okay, so this is ready. Afterwards, we have initialized the value with value clause, and we all know that value clause is an optional clause. So whenever you want to initialize something to your variable, then in that case you will utilize the value clause. Okay, so in short, you can say line number 12 has declared one variable with the name profit1, and it can hold up to maximum 4 numeric digit. 9 is denoting numeric. Okay, and right now we have initialized the 50 as a value to this variable. Clear? Fine. Now you can focus on the second thing, which is second variable, which is profit2 variable. So how we are declaring this variable? In the same way we are declaring Firstly, we need to specify the level number, which is 0, 1, again denoting the higher data hierarchy. Then we are providing the variable name, or you can say the data name, which we will use in order to access this variable. So for this variable, the variable or data name is profit2. Remember one thing, do not declare with the same name, okay? Otherwise it will give you error. So that's why I have declared another variable with a profit2. Then we have PIC denoting picture clause, 904 denoting numeric, 4 digit, okay? And then we are using value clause in order to initialize the 50 value to this variable. So on line number 13, we have declared the variable which can hold up to 4 numeric digit, and it is initialized with a value 50. Okay, fine. Now what we have procedure division. So in this procedure division, we are firstly displaying the text. So you can see here line number 17 to 18, we are displaying the value like profit1 value before any modification is profit1. So here we are just printing it without any modification, profit1. Likewise, we are printing profit2 value before any modification, profit2. Okay, so these are the two things that we have printed with the help of display command. Now the next thing is adding a literal value to a variable. So if you want to add a literal value to a variable, then in that case you can utilize the add statement, and this is the exact syntax to use add statement. Firstly, you can put add, which is a keyword or a statement, then the value which you want to add. So here in this example we are adding 5, so 5 is a value. Then 2, like where we want to add it, to profit1 variable. So this is the profit1 variable where we want to add this. Okay, so what it will do now, it will add your value 5 to this profit1 variable. Okay, so currently we have value stored as 50, right? So what it will do now, it will add 5 into 50, so it will become 55. Clear? So I hope it is clear to all of you that how it is working. And then we are just displaying it here on line number 24. So display profit1 value after 5 is added and the value is profit1. Now the next thing is adding one variable to another. This is also very important thing, right? Because in project scenario you will see these things frequently, like where we are supposed to use the add statement in order to add the one variable to another variable. So for that, line number 29 is used. We are using add, then profit1 to profit2. Variable name you can keep anything, but here for this example I'm using in profit1 profit2, but it could be anything. Okay. So as per your requirement you can modify your code. And here on line number 29 we are adding profile1 value to profile2 value. Now some of you might be thinking like where it will be stored, the output, the final output. The final output would be stored in this profit2 variable. So in profit1 we have value 55, because after 50 we added 5, so now we have profit1 value as 55, and this 55 value will be added to profit2. So currently profit2 is holding 50 because we have not added anything yet. So 50 plus 55 would become your result, and that result will be stored into this profit2 variable. Okay, so here I am using display command again to display the output. So to display the output you just need to specify profit2 value after profit1 is added and then the profit2 variable. Afterwards we are just using stop run to terminate the program. So to terminate the program you can simply compile your after termination, like I just save the code with file, and now I'm compiling it and calling it. So first output is coming as profit1 value before any modification is 0050. Then profit2 value before any modification is 0050, which is same, correct? Then hit enter. Profit1 value after 5 is added become 55, because 50 was already there, then we added 5, so it become 55. Then profit2 value after profit1 is added 105, because 55 is in profit1 and 50 is in profit2, so it becomes this. Clear? So we have got the value as 105. Okay, so this is how we are supposed to utilize add statement in COBOL program. So I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.